Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the pollen filter. On most modern cars the pollen filter is located behind the glove box. This particular car is a Toyota Corolla Verso, and we need to remove the glove box so we can gain access to the pollen filter. First thing we need to do is just remove this screw here that holds the damper locating the glove box in place. The next thing is to give the glove box a pull upwards. And we can lower it down. So behind the glove box you've got the ventilation system, and there'll be a cover like this one. You simply push on that tab and then pull it towards you. Same on the other side, and it reveals the back of the pollen filter. Simply slides out like so. As we can see, not in great condition. If you did need to order the correct part, then the part number should be on the end of the pollen filter. This is the replacement part that I've got, and we can just offer it up to see that it is the correct part, and this is the part number for the one that I'm fitting. Just as a comparison, you can see that this pollen filter is in awful condition. It has been replaced before because it's not a Toyota one, but this is what it should look like. And so on the end there it's saying airflow. The air is going to be sucked in from above the dashboard and then pushed into the car, so it will need to go in this direction. There we go. Just put the cover back on and we're done. There we go, heard that latch into place. Just got to refit the glove box now. On this particular car the damper kept falling off, and I've just secured it with a small nut on that tab so it can't fall off in the future. So to refit the glove box, we've got this little connection down here. It just needs to fit onto there. Then simply just push down hard on it. There we go, that's secured. And last of all, just to refit the damper. There we go, that's all done. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos just like this.